Hi everyone, my name is Tatenda. I'm a lawyer practicing at Shepstone Wylie attorneys in Cape Town, and we specialize in international transport, trade and dispute resolution. I practice as an attorney in the litigation department. Litigation is essentially the process whereby a court adjudicates a dispute between the parties and reaches a decision based on the arguments advanced by each party. A typical day for me as a litigation attorney involves a client with a dispute coming to me wanting a solution to the problem. During a consultation with the client, I take notes of the facts and try and pinpoint what area of law applies to the facts and how we can assist the client in reaching a conclusion and finding a solution. Most of the time, we have to sue another person or commence proceedings which will then be heard in a court of law. Before the proceedings are heard in a court of law, we need to draft legal documents known as pleadings, whereby we set out the facts of the matter and why we're suing that person and the law we're relying on for suing that person. It's important that these pleadings are delivered or served on the other side so that they have an opportunity to know that they're being sued and a chance to defend the matter and state their side of the story. Typically, the other side then comes back to defend the matter and to state why our argument or why our side is wrong. Each party needs to reveal to the other party the evidence they plan to use in court in support of their respective cases. I typically discuss the evidence in support of my client's claim and the evidence against my client's claim with a senior attorney at our firm or with an advocate. Now we reach the fun part where we go to court and each party is given an opportunity to argue their respective cases before a judge. After each party has made their arguments, the judge then makes a decision based on the applicable law and the evidence given by each party in support of their arguments. The judgment or order given by a judge is binding on all parties and must be adhered to. Lawyers are usually people with good analytical or problem-solving skills, as well as good interpersonal skills. We love writing, we love research, and debating on legal issues. I studied a Bachelor of Laws at university for 5 years. Afterwards, I did an articles of clerkship for 2 years, where I was exposed to the practical side of what I learned at university. During clerkship, we write 4 practical exams. Once we have completed these exams and passed, we are admitted as attorneys of the High Court. My advice to any of you interested in a career in law is to get as much practical experience as possible. It is important to job shadow advocates, attorneys, judges, and magistrates in court. This will give you a good idea of what a career in law entails.